What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Friday over here. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are ready for the weekend. We had a pretty good pump with the crypto markets overall during this week. Bitcoin has been the driver of the pump this week, in my opinion, but it is the main driver of this crypto markets. Could this pump continue? Will it come to a stop? Let's see into the charts here. Of course, the main topic for this post would be Helium, HNT token. See what's going on in this market. Could it actually break out of this long downtrend and get some upside potential? We're going to be taking a look into some upwards and downwards price targets for Helium. It's realistic. Also going to be taking a look into some key price levels this coin does need to break in order to go either direction. I will be sharing with you guys my personal opinions and sentiments on this market later in this video, so make sure to stay around for that. Of course, none of what I'm saying here is financial advice. It's purely my personal opinions and speculations. I am not a financial advisor nor an elite trader of any sorts, even though I am a profitable trader who has been able to keep most of my profits during the last bear market, but I'm looking to crush it here for the next bull cycle. So if you guys feel the same way, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let's get right into this video. So we currently have Helium at $1.38, down slightly today, over 1%. So let's see here. So that's pretty contrary to quite a bit of the altcoins I'm seeing here. Let's see if this coin has even caught any of the pump from Bitcoin this week. Not so much. Not so much. Not this coin, huh? Surprisingly. It's pretty different from other altcoins I've seen. Now, what could be happening with Helium here? So on this weekly time frame, I see a falling wedge pattern. Okay. On this week time frame, a falling wedge pattern, which is pretty similar to quite a bit of the altcoins in that sense. I've been seeing quite a bit of falling wedges with a lot of the altcoins. Since earlier this year, this one looks like it has started even earlier, and it has been on a pretty big downtrend, okay, since October last year. Now, is there any upside potential here? Okay. Now, falling wedges are typically, they typically break to the upside. Okay. That is from a technical analysis perspective, right? So we basically, if you want to see a measure target out of this pattern, we basically take the opening up, measure the opening of the pattern, and we put it on top of an expected breakout point. Let's just say it breaks out by the first week of October. Okay, let's just say that. For example, because I want to put it on top of a expected breakout point and get the measured targets. So that's the whole purpose of this, getting a measured target from picking a random breakout point. And I think this is appropriate because it is still pretty close to that top trend line here, so I'll give it a couple of weeks. But this is a pretty slow moving market. So if it actually breaks out by the first week of October, that's going to give you right underneath $6 here. Okay, $5.97, $5.98. Just going to say $6 area. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. Now let's take a look into some key price levels this price action does need to break in order to get up. First of all, immediately we have the weekly 21 SMA currently at about that $1.50 area. Weekly 50 SMA, which it's coming down to the top trend line. It's about $2.15 area. Monthly time frame, we barely have the monthly 21 SMA that's appeared. That's about $7.60 area. The 3-day moving averages are basically right above the price action here. So 3-day 50 SMA, $1.55 area. 3-day 21 SMA about the $1.06 $1.70 area, I'm just gonna say. 3-day 200 SMA about the $7.20 area. It is coming down. Daily moving averages are going to be a lot more responsive because they change on the daily. Now, the daily 21 SMA currently at about $1.50 area. Daily 200 SMA currently about $1.60 area. Daily 50 SMA is at about $1.70 area. Okay, so that's going to be your potential resistances. Those are going to be your key resistances going up. Okay, you could look into further resistances by looking at past trading history, but for time's sake, I'm just going to name the noticeable key resistances going upwards because we have a lot. Well, I think all the major moving averages are above the price action. Let's see what could be happening on this daily time frame here. See if we can get any clues on what this could do, right? On this daily time frame here, there is also a falling wedge, right? A possible double bottom here, a small double bottom on this end, like the recent price action. Let's see if this falling wedge breaks to the upside and breaks this top trend line here. Then that could be a potential breakout happening. So keep your eyes on the weekly time frame. Keep your eyes on the daily time frame. We got two falling wedges here, right? Let's take a look into the downside. The potential downside. Always got to consider it. As a trader, I am not a permanent bull or permanent bear, right? I switch with the data. Okay, so let's take a look into the potential downside here. We're gonna go to the monthly time frame because I want to see just past trading history since there's no major moving averages beneath the price action. So I actually, before we get there, if you guys have came this far into this video, thank you very much. If you guys don't already have a Webull account but want to get some free stocks, be sure to check out my referral link down below. They're still giving away free stocks valued up to $3,000. Terms and conditions do apply when you guys open an account and deposit $100. So if you guys are going to trade anyways, why not get some free stocks? I have used Webull as an exchange before to trade both cryptos and stocks. I think they're great. But with any one exchange, I would not put all or most of my money on any one exchange. I personally diversify my money across several exchanges. In case one goes down, I don't get wrecked. If that sounds like something that makes sense to you, check out my referral link down below. Now let's go ahead and go to the downside here. Right, the downside here, just based on past trading history, I see a bunch of wicks here from March of this year to June of this year, right? It's going to be about your $1.15, $1.10, $1.15. Let's just say $1.10 area, okay? In that area, there's going to be quite a bit of support based on past trading history. Now, support does not necessarily mean that it's going to come down for further price action upwards. It could also come down for further price action downwards. Okay, that's when it actually breaks this. I mean, well, I can't say that. Okay, yeah. So that's basically what it means to have support there. Okay. So this is what I'm seeing: falling wedge pattern. Will it break to the upside as usual, or would it break to the downside, contrary to the probabilities? You want to consider the measured targets. That is an estimate only, okay? Do your Google searches on all the trading concepts that have been talked about here. Measure targets, measure moves, falling wedges, just for starters. Get familiar with these trading concepts because at the end of the day, you want to be able to judge it for yourself, not depend on someone else. So go ahead and verify what I'm saying. It's public knowledge. Google search it. Let's go ahead to Bitcoin here. Currently at about 26.3K-ish, down very slightly. Staying away from this weekly breakdown here of this double top pattern, trying to stay away from it. Okay, got very close for the past couple of weeks, but it looks like it has been making a little bit of a move. Okay, would this pump last, or would it be a pullback back towards about 25K? That's when it's gonna get edgy again. Well, like I said, based on the previous past few days trading history, it has broken out of a falling wedge on the 4-hour time frame. Measured target, it's about 29.2K, which is an estimate only. Okay, it doesn't automatically get there. A lot of ifs in the way. After it has broken out of this falling wedge, looks like it has retested that upper trend line, but now is in a rising channel, which is typically bearish. So that's what I'm seeing. My overall sentiment on this market is bullish at this time. If it does anything different, I will be sure to promptly switch my opinions. Okay. That's basically what I'm seeing here. I am not trading Helium, but if you guys want to continue seeing more of this coin, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I can bring you guys more follow-up on this coin if enough of you guys want to see it. Thank you very much. See you guys later.